CarHub, oh, CarHub, oh,
CarHub.
What's up guys, it's CarHub here, and today we're going to do a short little video. We got this Gen 2 here. It's got codes P0301 and P0302. It's random multiple misfire code 2 as well. So we got the cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. That's what the 301 stands for, the cylinder 1 misfire. And then the P0302 stands for the cylinder 2. And if you have a 303 and a 304, that will be the third and fourth cylinder. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in here, we're going to change out the 1 and 2 cylinder, and then we're going to change out all spark plugs because it has a random multiple misfire code and misfire on 1 and 2 specifically. So we're going to just change out all spark plugs and coils, and then it had a little rattle to it, and hopefully that goes away, and we're going to start it up after that and see if we got it fixed. Alright, so we got all new coils, all new spark plugs. You don't have to take off the windshield wipers. I did it all without taking it off. Now just got a wrench in there. The only thing you got to take off to get to it is this relay box. Other than that, it's easy to get to, really easy to change out. And we're going to start it up and see if we got the rattle off and see if the lights come back on. Alright, so we got the codes cleared. We got to start it up. We ran it a little bit. It's not rattling anymore. The lights aren't coming back on, so it looks like we got this one. That's how we fixed this Prius, was just to change out spark plugs and coils, and it ended up fixing the P0301 to P0304 codes. The 301 is your first cylinder, 302 is your second, 303 is your third, and 304 is your fourth. So whatever code you have, I would say if you have one of those, I would just go ahead and change out all coils and spark plugs, because the next one could go bad sooner. So it's just a good thing to change them all out when it comes on. So yeah, we do a lot of Prius videos, so please like and subscribe to the video. I respond to every comment, so if you guys have questions on Priuses or want videos on different Prius problems, leave a comment. I'll answer, usually within a day. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the video.